How to add multiple photos in Facebook story. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Now, in order to add multiple photos to your Facebook story, tap on Create Story option from your top left. It will display all the photos and videos that you have in your gallery. You have to tap on Select Multiple. Once done, choose all the photos that you would like to add to your story. And once you do so, it will give you an option if you would like to post this as separate stories, photo collage, or clip mashup. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose photo collage. And just like so, you can also choose the background. Let's go ahead and give it this color. Once done, tap on to share. And just like so, this is how you can add multiple photos to your Facebook story. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.